Hello and welcome back to Mr. Thompson's art class. So today we're going to be continuing with line. Let's just go through the regular procedures. So for attendance, make sure that you're turning in your assignments the day they're assigned so you can get counted present for that day. If you're turning them in late and you're asynchronous, you're not getting counted present for that day. So please remember to log in and at least attempt to do those assignments. If you aren't able to finish it, at least message me or put a message in the comments so that way it'll put a timepiece for you so that way I can count you present. For the joke of the day, what kind of bow can't be tied? A rainbow. All right, so here's our updated times. So it'll vary depending on the week. So we meet at these times. So second period 10:05 to 11:05, third period 11:10 to 12:15, fourth period 1:25 to 2:25, sixth period 10:05 to 11:05, seventh period 11:10 to 12:10, and eighth period 1:25 to 2:25. And those will vary depending on the week and the day. Okay. Champs. This is if you're attending our Google Meets. The voice level will be 0. Use the mic mute feature, and if you need help or you have a question, please use the chat feature. You are welcome to unmute your mic and ask your question. Please just don't interrupt the presentation, and make sure you mute your microphone after you ask your question. Activity is going to be independent. Movement, stay seated, and participation, please take notes when needed and put in your best effort for success. All right, so for your do now today, I want you to draw something using a combination of straight lines and curved lines, okay? Please remember you're going to turn in your do now with your assignment. So take a picture of your do now and your assignment and submit them both. You can do 2 separate files or put them together and take one picture. Either way, that's up to you. Just please turn in both your do now and your assignment. All right, so learning targets. We will create art using the elements of art. All right, which element? We're going to be using line. How? By verbal and visual instruction. And why? To discover the fundamentals for creating artwork using line. All right, so how to submit your work. If you're still having trouble with that, you're going to go to the assignment and click this add or create. It's going to look different if you're using different platforms. So if you're using your iPhone or an iPad, there might be a little arrow at the bottom for the thing of the assignment. You click on that, you find the add or create. It'll be a little paperclip icon. Once you see your file upload, then mark it as done. All right, basic online classroom rules. We've gone through these since day one. Just look over them on your own discretion, and I'll address them if they need to be addressed. All right, so our unit organizer, here we go, just a refresher. The vocabulary is the principles of design and the elements of art. The line link it's live, so you click on any of these live links and it'll take you to a presentation regarding that subject. All right, so here's the video for the day. Make sure you watch this. It has a lot of useful information about different types of lines. And then here is the assignment for today. You don't have to print this out. If you do, that's fine. But all I want you to do is, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares up and 4 squares across. All right, the same as this little picture. And I want you to try to make a larger scale of the little picture here. Just do 1 square at a time, okay? All right. And then make sure you submit it with your do now. There you go. Take a picture of your do now and your assignment. Turn in your do now and your assignment, and have a wonderful rest of your day. All right. So I hope if there's any questions, make sure you contact me. You can email me at trent.thompson@ecisd.net, or you can contact me through my Google Voice. Here's the number right here. It's 210-876-5287. All right, so y'all have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you later.